सेलिब्रेशन फेस्टिविटी चल रही है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
आपने कहा रोहित से पुरानी दोस्ती रही है. See, Rohit is all about fashion. I would say the word fashion starts with him. He's a complete encyclopedia as far as the fashion industry goes. There's a lot to learn from him. When I was right here complimenting him, outburst was his reaction on the transgender show what we just conceptualized at the Bombay Times Fashion Week. In fact, he was upset with me कि भाई भैया आपने मेरे साथ क्यों नहीं किया. I just told him, boss, I never knew you were involved into it. We have been working with the thought of transgenders since last almost about 4 years down the line. But yes, I just promised him, he is doing it on the 8th of Feb. We will be with him, stand with him and will ensure that we will take this thought at a level next. ये मैं अक्सर कहता आया हूँ, हिंदुस्तान में आवाम को समझाने के लिए दो ही तरीके हैं. वन बॉलीवुड, दूसरा एक ऊपर का खौफ. When I say Bollywood, तो it's all about fashion. It's all the inclusivity of fashion is in Bollywood. So that's all about it. Thank you so much.
Concept of putting a fashion evening together.
So every year I do a fashion show, and this year, you know, I've been traveling. I was just living my life in a suitcase. I'm in and out of India. Well, I did the USA fashion tour, which was very, very successful. And then when during that journey, I also got another fashion tour, which was season 2. And total like 6 months, like, you know, I was not in India this time. So I thought that, and I also received one award internationally, being an international designer. So this is the best way to celebrate, because as you all know that I always do one annual fashion show. So I think this time I'm not doing a show, so why not to throw a fashion party? So the whole idea, the concept came, and we are celebrating the art, we're celebrating culture today, we are celebrating womanhood, we are celebrating everybody's sexuality, and we are celebrating every individual has got a fashion element inside that person. I think we are celebrating the fashion diva.
Is that Rohit Verma that you're wearing?
Well, yes, this is me what I'm wearing, and I think so. That's the like you know, a lot of people say when you live. Everybody, if you live right, once is enough, you know. So I always never cared for the world, because I'm a fashion designer. My personality is my jewel, my uniqueness, what everybody loves here. And that's the reason whenever I post my picture on Instagram, they always say I'm one of the best dressed up person. So a donkey cannot praise his own children to national television. But yes, this is what I love, and this is my personality.
Talking about Leena Jain and
Spent Mr. Jain, and I think so when I approached them for this evening, they were very kind enough to give me a place in discounted rates, and I'm very happy, and they have really gone out of the way for me. The food is very nice over here, the ambience is very good. I'm sure Pepper and Pine is going to do very well, and not even me, all my friends have supported and given a video bite for them. And that's the best part, that, you know, when we can help each other out. And today we are having a fashion night at his place, and I really wish them all the best. And I think so our collaboration is just not like a one-time party, it will be lifelong. Thank you very much. पूरा फॉलो कर रहा हूँ, you know. मेरी फेवरेट इस टाइम सना खान है, you know. मैं उनको बहुत सपोर्ट कर रहा हूँ. रश्मि देसाई मेरी बहुत अच्छी फ्रेंड है. अभी वो गई हैं, मेरी शिफाली जरीवाला गई हैं अंदर, वो मेरी बहुत अच्छी दोस्त हैं. तो आई थिंक सो मे द बेस्ट पर्सन विन. पर मेरे को सना बहुत क्यूट लगती है, बिकॉज आई थिंक सो जस्ट डे 1 से मैं अमेरिका में था, तो मैंने फॉलो करना स्टार्ट किया. तो डे 1 से उनका जो कैरेक्टर है वो सेम है, कोई मेरे को फेक नहीं लगा. सो आई रियली सपोर्ट हर, बट आई रियली वांट माय फ्रेंड रश्मि टू विन द शो. बट Siddharth Shukla is also playing very well in the house. So I think may best the person win.
So I wish very, very happy birthday to my brother, Rohit Verma. I love you so much, and I wish you all the best from the bottom of my heart. He's such a lovely, lovely guy.
Tonight's basically a very important night where three aspects of Mumbai are coming into play. We have got fashion, we've got food, we've got luxury, everything coming into play at the right time. Like Rohit Verma is, apart from his birthday which is there, it is a very nice fashion fiesta which is happening out over here. and we have curated a very nice menu in terms of the cocktails, in terms of the food. The names of the food items are also correlated, something related to the bling thing which is happening right now over here. Individually, Rohit is an amazing person, and to host him has been a very good, whatever you can say. It's not just a pleasure for us, but yeah, we feel very blessed to have people from the industry come out over here and ensure that Pepper and Pine becomes their home away from home to make all the celebrations out over here. That is what I think.
How do you see all this?
So we try and ensure that a lot of demands, whatever come, or requirements, I'm sorry to use the word demand, the requirements of all our guests are fulfilled in the right manner. Maybe if not 100%, we try to ensure that, because we are into hospitality, we can never say no. We always have to say, certainly sir. No, we can go ahead and do that, or we'll accommodate it that way. So if there's a video taken inside, we'll see how we have accommodated a regular restaurant which is known for its good food, a number of pepper-oriented dishes. Today, it's turned into a different ball game. It's all shining, a lot of mannequins, live mannequins, a lot of models wearing nice attire from Rohit Verma's collection. Everything has been showcased inside. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
We just want picture together. Yes.
हम बंधे हुए हैं इकट्ठे आइए वी आर टाइड
Sorry.
एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई वांट टू सी कि क्या फर्स्ट क्लास कपड़े बनाए रोहित ने आई जस्ट लव हिज क्लोथ्स
Can I look at all the beautiful women who are wearing such
as
lovely
long as you're
clothes?
looking no Rohit is a dear friend and we wish him all the best and as always I'm sure the clothes are going to be fantabulous and
And you better keep inviting us every year.
Shawnee's right here.
Ah, there he is.
oh my god the royal queen
Yeah.
Oh God.
Center of attention.
So they are my family. Okay, Ramesh sir couldn't come for my last show, but they had to attend some other. But this time Kiran Masi told me that I'm definitely going to get Ramesh sir, and she's always been there. I share a very emotional relationship with her. She's always been there, always guided me right, and there are few relationships we really can't name, and she's always part of my journey. Thank you for
he's
being
a
there.
sweetheart. Rohit is a sweetheart.
First of all, happy birthday to Rohit. He's a very dear friend of mine, like a family. And congratulations to Pepper and Pine also. I like this place always whenever I come. And it's a good combination, Rohit Verma and Pepper and Pine. So everybody kill it, rock it.
What do you want to say?
Well, obviously, Rohit is a very, very close friend, and that's why we all are here. And we're just looking forward to meet him and hug him tight and wish him all the luck. I think we're looking more glitzy.
Glitzy then, yeah.
So, yeah, of course, being Rohit, you have to follow the theme. Otherwise, tomorrow you'll get a message saying that, don't wear this next time. So, we want it to be all glittery and glamorous as much as we can.
मैं बस उनको बहुत अच्छे विशेस देना चाह रहा हूँ राइट फ्रॉम द बॉटम ऑफ माई हार्ट बिकॉज ही इज़ अ स्वीट हार्ट उनके साथ मैं काम बहुत पहले कर चुका हूँ लेकिन अब वो हमारे दोस्त इस तरह से बन गए हैं एंड आई नो हिम इन एंड आउट एंड आई थिंक ही इज़ अ वेरी स्वीट गाय एंड दैट्स द रीज़न आई एम राइट हियर टू ब्रिंग इन हिज बर्थडे एंड आई विश हिम ऑल द बेस्ट
I want to wish him a beautiful, beautiful year ahead, good health, life, peace, happiness, just
and lots of success.
Yes, he's a very, very
Lots of success to an already successful person.
Yes, he's a very, very positive and a very affectionate person. And प्यार बांटता रहता है हमेशा. So I wish him so much love, and he adores Krishna. So a lot of Krishna in your life, and may Krishna envelop you with a lot of love.
Thank you.
Rohit is a very, very, very dear friend of mine and extremely close to me. I want to wish him all the very best for his life. It's his birthday और भगवान करे कि ऐसे बहुत सारे बर्थडे आए और वो बहुत 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 तरक्की करे लाइफ में.
Rohit is a darling. Rohit is one of the most genuine person I've met in my life. He's extremely warm. जो अंदर है वो बाहर है, क्योंकि हमारी इस इंडस्ट्री में दिखावा ज़्यादा होता है, जेन्युइनिटी जो है बहुत कम होती है. सो Rohit is a lovely human being, and on his birthday I would like to wish him all the very best for whatever he wants to do in his life, and may all his dreams come true.
I think it's fantastic, and especially I've come especially for Rohit to wish him a very happy birthday. He's a fabulous person, a great designer, and Pepper and Print is a beautiful place. So all in all, it's going to be a lovely evening, and I'm very happy to be here. I'm very, very happy. The public response has been very huge. बहुत पसंद आ रहा है शो सबको. The contestants are fantastic, and I'm very, very excited. आप तो जानते हो सभी contestants ने ऐसा हल्ला मचाया हुआ है कि उनकी कहानियाँ सुनकर देख जनता उनको गले से लगा रही है.
No, but he's a really warm, friendly person, and he wanted us to wear bling, so there's a touch of bling in what I'm wearing. But most importantly, I think these are occasions that you should not miss. You should meet. We get busy, we don't get to meet for months, but you shouldn't miss these occasions. So I'm here because of that, and to wish him all the best.
Wish him all the best and lot of success.
Happy birthday to him, and may he grow as always. He's doing so well.
Thank you.
सबसे पहले तो मैं रोहित को बहुत ढेर सारी बधाई देता हूँ जन्मदिन के मुबारक दिन पर, और दिल से दुआएं देता हूँ. मालिक उसको बहुत कामयाब इंसान बनाए और ज़िंदगी में खुश रहे बस.
Giving my heartiest, congratulations first on this new endeavor of his, and then of course a very, very happy birthday, and I hope he keeps going onwards and upwards from here. And it's great to be here. He's a great guy. He's a great person. He's a great person to be around, and I'm looking forward to meeting him and wishing him personally.
Rohit is one of my dearest friends, more than a friend. Rohit is family to us, and what better than celebrating Rohit's birthday at Pepper and Pint. And thank you for having all of us here. We're looking forward to a great evening, and lots of love, Rohit. We love you.
Hey Rohit, what do I say? We are here today. We've been friends from many years, and it feels great to celebrate your birthday here today. We know you are such a fun, and I'm really exhausted since whole day. So now looking forward for a lot of fun. Happy birthday Rohit at wonderful Pepper and Pine. Thank you. Bye-bye.
तुम जियो हज़ारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,224. Rohit Verma, lots of love, lots of good wishes. Live long, live happy, and cheers, brother.